ringing, buzzing and annoying sounds in your ears. Tinnitus can be frustrating and uncomfortable to live with. The constant sound in your head can cause added stress to your everyday life. However, there is hope for relief. In this video you will be provided with some good advice that can help you. You may want to consider joining a support group if you suffer from tinnitus. Many people do not know that these groups exist, but they do, and they are there to help you. You will chat with other tinnitus patients, and you can all share tips and ideas with each other. Before seeing your doctor, do some research to help him or her assess the cause of your tinnitus symptoms. A few physicians are just not properly informed about the plethora of current treatment options that do exist, as tinnitus is always treatable and sometimes curable. While the thought of a 20-minute cat nap during the day is appealing, there is no such thing as a nap for tinnitus sufferers. Tinnitus is often linked with insomnia, so a nap will only leave you feeling somewhat groggy and not completely with it, when you try to go to bed for the night. Chewing gum is one of the best remedies for tinnitus. Medical research has shown that chewing gum can relieve the pressure and sounds that are associated with tinnitus. However, be careful to stop chewing if you start feeling more symptoms or if you develop pain in your jaw or elsewhere. Buy a sound generator and keep it toward the head of the bed. Sound generators produce white noise which trains your brain to refocus on the noise, pushing your tinnitus out of your mind. This can help you get a restful sleep. Figure out what issues are bothering you, and your tinnitus will get much less annoying. The more stressed out you are, the higher your blood pressure will be, and, therefore, the louder the whooshing in your ears. Try to let the small stuff go and work on a solution for the bigger problems, so you can relax a bit and let the sound in your ears go away. Take your stress into consideration in regards to your tinnitus. Tinnitus may be a physical manifestation of an emotional issue. You will do better if your schedule isn't as rushed, so you should prepare and make plans in advance. Educate yourself about deep relaxation methods, and then make a daily ritual of them as long as it takes for them to become automatic behavior. Avoid loud noise to help reduce the chances of developing tinnitus. Frequent exposure to loud noise can cause damage to the numerous small cells within your ear. This damage causes a ringing noise in your ears, which leads to tinnitus. There are millions of people around the world who are currently living happily with tinnitus. Some sufferers deal with this condition in the short term, while others have to manage it over the course of many years. Keep in mind that you'll be able to handle this with the appropriate treatment methods and a little bit of patience. The tips and techniques you have watched here have helped many people who suffer from the symptoms of tinnitus. No one should allow tinnitus to ruin or control their life. Follow the advice in this video and experience the difference. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.